the report states anything about one person called Dr. Chandan Sen and whether his case file has been studied. Why it assumes great significance is that this Chandan Sen belonged to Ranaghat Municipal Hospital. He was murdered in the year 2003. Same fact. He was murdered, she was murdered. What was the racket involved? The racket involved was with regard to fake medicine. Medicine being sent out. And there was also a Bangladeshi module as per the reports of that point of time. As far as RG Kar is concerned, there is also a Bangladeshi module, whereby the bio waste was being sent into Bangladesh.
But I would request my learned friend, rather than, my lord, detailing
Because
this in
Chandan Sen
let him write down and give it to me in a
we have already permitted anybody who wants to furnish any information.
No, they give me in a sealed cover and I send them in a sealed condition.
My lord,
It will not be appropriate to discuss it loudly. You just write it down and give it to me in a sealed cover. It would immediately be given to the CBI.
This particular doctor, why Calcutta is burning today? Because this particular doctor is the accused persons were convicted. Then in the appellate court, they were acquitted. Before this honorable court also, because the evidence collected was such that even before this honorable court, the acquittal stood. And that is the reason why all the elderly people, because this happened 21 years back, and that Dr. Chandan Sen's memory is what ignites the elderly people of Kolkata to come onto the streets.
my lords, we have handed our papers. My lord, I had given some names. I had said I would give names of persons who were present at the scene of the crime on the invitation of the principal of the college, who had nothing to do with the college, nor were they on duty at that time. They arrived even before the police arrived on the scene. And we have reason to guess.
Seven names. 7 names.
I have 4 names. I don't have 7 names.
Guessing that's a part of the report of the CBI.
Yes, Lord, with their designations, some of them are elected members of the West Bengal Medical Council. So this is the reason why we are arguing that this is not just a plain and simple murder and rape. There are many more people involved in the incident that has taken place.
All that we'd like to say right now is that the report by the CBI does specifically advert to this. So let's leave it at that, because we have further probing.
I did not mention the names in open court. 2 of them I did give to the Solicitor General. There are 2 more which I will forward to him in sealed cover.
Lords, on the next occasion, there is a priority, my lords, with regard to this financial.
Solicitor, your report at Roman 9 at page 6.
No, on this, my lord,
on this Roman 9 at page 6.
Yes. Page 6 and 7. Where my learned friend, Miss Jai Singh's, my lord.
That sentence, all of them.
Yes.
So on and so forth.
My
and
lords,
so-and-so, they belong to so-and-so, and also members of.
Fair enough, fair enough.
my lords, just one thing with regard to this is that a lot of these people who have been mentioned, I am told, in the CBI report with regard to financial irregularities, but also being present at the scene of the crime when they had no business to be, many of them are in positions of power even today.
Even today.
And this is what is contributing to the threat culture, the enabling of threats, my lords. So, my lords, if they could be, based on a prima facie appreciation of the status reports and the CBI investigation, sought to be suspended temporarily from their positions until the investigation is over.